Okay guys, here I am back with another video after I don't know how many months, but today's video is going to be how to turn a regular image into a layered SVG image. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to look for an image that you want. You're going to be looking for a black and white sort of one that you can turn into just an outline. So I already kind of had an idea of the picture that I wanted to choose. There's so many different pictures you could choose from. Just wanted something simple. And you're just going to save it to your downloads, open up Cricut Design Space, and you're going to upload it into Cricut Design Space. Once it's uploaded, you can choose between these three. I usually choose simple, it's just easier to get rid of everything. And then I click in that drop down, I click 2 to make it even more simple. It's just so that it's easier and doesn't give you crazy lines on the image. Then just make sure you didn't miss anything. If you do, you can go back and clean it up more. Then you're going to save it as a cut image. So then it's just going to look like a black and white outline. Once you have your black and white outline, I try to make it smaller so that way it's easier to see when I go in to make different layers. So you're just going to duplicate that image and go down to contour. And once you go down to contour, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so I could see the whole image. You're going to click hide all contours down there in the corner, and that will get rid of all of them and leave just one. When you have that, that is going to be your new back layer. Then you're going to go ahead and duplicate that image and go down to contour, go to hide all contours again, and then you're going to choose which part you want to do next. So I want to go with the fur. So what I'm going to do is click all the parts that's just the fur. Now sometimes it's like the tool is a little finicky, so sometimes you have to do it from the sidebar rather than on the actual image, but it's totally your preference. Then make sure don't forget to click the back outline off so that way it only shows the fur. There it is. Then you're just going to change it to the color that you want. Layer it on there, that way we know what we're working with. Then of course you're going to take that image, duplicate it again, so that way you can do the next layer. So we're going to go to contour again, hide all contours, and then we're going to go with his clothes for this one, I believe. So this part was a little tricky. The part I needed was stuck together and they were supposed to be two different colors. So what I did for this part is I go down to the shapes and I take out a circle, and what I'm gonna do is put it on the area that I'm trying to subtract from, so I want to take them apart and make it two pieces. And then I'm just going to arrange it to the back just to see where I'm at, and then I'm gonna click both parts of the image and click the slice tool. And that separated them, so I could just take the bottom part that I needed. So I just deleted that part that I didn't need, and then I realized I forgot one of the arm sleeves, so I just went back in to fix that. And then we're going to duplicate it again and we're going to do the next layer. So the next layer is just his tongue. Now we're going to create a new layer again. So we're going to duplicate it, bring it down to the corner, hit contour, and then hide all contours. So for this one, we're going to do his wing. Change it to white. And that's the wing. And then I forgot the other part of the wing. So we're going to go back to contour and we're going to click it right there. And that automatically changes it white by itself. So then of course we're going to duplicate it again. Hit contour down below. And we're going to work on getting his eyes in there. We forgot his eyes. Remember, don't forget to click that back shadow layer, or else it's just gonna look all black and you're not gonna be able to see what you need. Yeah, and then you put it into position and that is your layered image. Now you can use that for any project. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm sorry I've been gone for so long, but I'll be back and we'll be having a Halloween week and more videos to come. So see you guys on the next one. Bye.